Hello, my name is Shiji Kathuria, and I'm the Honors Librarian for Perimeter College. Today I'll be teaching you about Zotero. So what is Zotero? Zotero is a free and easy to use citation management tool. With a browser extension, it automatically senses content on the web and saves it into your library with one click. Using these saved sources, you can instantly create parenthetical references and bibliographies within Word and Google Docs. After saving over 300 megabytes of sources, you can start a paid account. However, it takes a long time to reach this limit, and you don't have to worry about paying for it unless you have thousands of sources in your library. So let's begin. To download Zotero, you visit zotero.org. This tutorial will not detail how to specifically download it to your computer. Just keep in mind there are two parts to downloading Zotero. First is as a program to your computer, and secondly as a browser extension. I would recommend using it with Chrome or Firefox, but it also works with Safari and Edge. Please follow the prompts on the website, and if you have any trouble, please reach out to me. I'll provide my contact information at the end. Once Zotero has been installed to your computer, it's first installed as a button on your browser and also as a standalone program. You can open it from your Start menu or wherever you go to open programs on your computer. Let's start by building our library. Since Zotero is a browser extension, you can save any content you're viewing on the web, whether it's news articles, YouTube videos, or scholarly articles on the library website. When viewing search results, I can either save the entire page of search results using the filter icon, or I can save an individual article using the same button. When you save resources to Zotero, you will see them in your Zotero library. You'll also notice that all the metadata about these sources is broken out. That will help cite it later. You can also add items into your library manually. Click on this plus button and you can edit and type in information into any of these fields. You'll want to review the fields that are filled out when you review your Zotero library. This will become important when you use Zotero to build your bibliography. For example, if Zotero imported an article title that was in all caps, or your author field was not filled out, you can edit that information yourself by clicking on each field. Within Zotero, you can organize your saved sources using the subfolders feature. You can also tag each item in the notes or tag field. All the tags are on the left side of the screen here. You can also assign these tags different colors. This will set it apart visually in your library. In the Preferences menu for Zotero, you can edit particular features. For example, if you're saving articles from the library website, you can choose whether or not you would like the full text PDF of the article to import as well. It is free to use Zotero, but in case you needed additional storage, you could save that for your storage costs. So let's discuss how to build your bibliography quickly. You can select all the items you want to cite, right-click on the highlighted items, and click Create Bibliography from Items. I will select MLA as my default style, Output Mode Bibliography, and Output Method Copy to Clipboard. Then when I open up Word, I will paste, and you'll see a formatted MLA bibliography. You'll remember when I emphasized the importance of making sure all the fields are appropriately filled out, as that will make a difference here in your bibliography being accurate. That was a quick demonstration on how to create a very quick bibliography. Next, I'd like to show you how to use your in-text citations in bibliography while writing your paper. Within Word, you'll see there's a menu for Zotero. It's part of your menu options at the top. As you're writing your paper and you'd like to do an in-text citation from your library, you can place your cursor where you'd like to cite and click Add Edit Citation. Again, I'll select my default style as MLA and click OK. What will come up is a red search bar for me to search any of the content in my Zotero library by keyword, author, or title. I will select a source to cite in my in-text citations and press Enter. Then I can move my cursor down and click Add Edit Bibliography, and a formatted citation will come out. As you keep adding in-text citations, the bibliography will keep building after this point. If I wanted to add a page number to my in-text citation, I could click on the citation and add a page number here and press Enter. And you'll notice in alphabetical order is the next citation in my works cited list. If at any time you need to change the entire style of your paper, say for example you thought you had to cite an MLA, but your assignment actually says you need to be citing an APA, that's a simple change in Zotero. All you do is click on the document preferences, select APA, and now your entire document will be reformatted. For your information, Zotero does have the same features in Google Docs. This has been a quick look at how to use Zotero to help make your research process easier. Please don't hesitate to contact me should you need additional help. I am available for one-on-one virtual or in-person research appointments. Here is my contact information. Thank you, and I look forward to hearing from you.